Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you 3 progressions that you should know. We're in the key of C. So the first one. Pretty simple and soulful. So let's break that down. The progression is basically a sharp 6 or a flat 7, 2, 4, 5, 1. So let's show you exactly what I played. In the right hand, I play this melody. So from the D, E, F, and when you hit the F, you want to hit the A as well. So in the left hand, when you hit the F, that's when you start the left hand. It's basically an arpeggio. This is what we're going to play. These 3 notes, also including the F. So I'm playing using my sustain pedal. So together. Cool, you got that one? So let's move on. So you want. So we're doing the A, C, and the F and A. You hear that chord? So this is the next one. In the right hand, I'm playing. If you cannot reach this, just simply play that. So I have both my thumb playing the E and F. I have the C, E, and G. And you notice I'm not playing it as one like that. You hear it playing like an arpeggio. So this part is playing like an arpeggio. And this is the 2 chord in the key of C. The left hand is playing D, A. I think I was playing the F and the G. Let's see. I think I played that, but I doubt you can reach that. So let's keep it that way. So my thumb is playing both the E and F. Right? And the remaining notes are the D, A, E and F. And you get that sound. So come again. You can do that, it's a pretty movement. And guys, these are just some simple things. It's the simple things that sometimes make the hugest difference. And the left hand is playing this. The F, C, G, and A. If you cannot play it like this, you can play the arpeggio. Okay, so this other movement. Just the G, C, D, E. And we end up here. In the right hand, I have just the D, G, and D again. The left hand, I have the G, D, B, and C together. And again, you can play it like an arpeggio in the right hand instead of just playing. These small things make a huge difference. So everything is playing like an arpeggio. And we're basically finished. You can just resolve at the 1. So let's run everything again. Cool. So let's now move on to the other one. So this time I'm moving up to the key of C sharp, and I'm going to show you this movement. It's like a 5. It's a 5-1, but the chords do a lot of things on that 5. So let's break it down. So it starts on the 5, and we're gonna play this. The right hand plays this: C, E flat, G, A, G sharp, or A flat. The left hand plays the A flat. Second note here, like a diminish, but I'm not playing the B flat, I'm just playing the G. The right hand C sharp, E, and B flat. Left hand G. So the right hand C sharp, F sharp, C. Sorry, E flat, F sharp, C. The left hand plays F sharp and C. Slight variation for the next chord. So the right hand plays C sharp, F sharp, C. Left hand plays F sharp and B flat. And we're still over the 5, which is A flat in key of C sharp. So the other chord is this, and the right hand is playing E, A, E flat. Left hand is playing F sharp, C. And now we need to resolve. Where would we go? Because this is the melody note. We're following the melody note, so we can either go here, or we can either go here to the F. So let's try both. And that's the 1. So I'm going to show you that the right hand is playing both. The thumb is playing both the F and the G and C. And I'm flicking from the E flat to the F. And the left hand is playing this. This is F, A flat, B flat, C, and E flat. And that's over the 1. So we had, let's try. One. So that's right hand B flat, E flat, A flat, C sharp, and the left hand plays F. Or you can just simply do F, B flat, and in the right hand you play the E flat, A flat, and C sharp. And if you want to stretch and play the full thing, you can play the arpeggio. You can play the arpeggio if you cannot reach. Cool. Let's now move on to the third movement. We're staying in the key of C sharp. So this is like a drop 2. So it's like we're moving from the 1 and want to get to the 4. Right? So in between that we can play the 1. Cool, let's break that down. Alright, so the first chord in this progression, we're playing. Cool. So it's like an F sharp, but we're not playing this B flat in the right hand. We're taking this B flat and putting it in the left hand. So the left hand has 1 note, the right hand has 2 notes. To make it a bit more spicy, you can slide up in the right hand from the F, your thumb to the second finger, from the F to the F sharp. Okay. Second one. It's like a C sharp, but we're not playing the C sharp in the right hand. We're moving the left hand, moving it to the left hand. So we end up with this. And we can add some spice to it by sliding the E flat to the F. So we got that. Cool. Next, this is the third one. It's like an A flat, but we're not playing the C. We're in the right hand, we're putting it in the left hand. So you basically you can get the pattern now. We're just taking the second note from the major chord and putting that second note in the left hand. Right? Cool. And we need to do this run. It's like just an inversion. Inversion. Right? So the same A flat, but we're not playing this second note in the chord. A flat. We're moving the A flat to the left hand. The next one, we need to do this now. So after this, the F sharp, same procedure, moving the second note to the left hand. And then here, C sharp again, moving the F to over there. So far we have. So we need to do that. So we had this. Now we're going to this. It's basically repeating. This is the same thing, like same thing. So the same thing, just at a lower octave. So we're doing this. So it's like, I think this is where we started. The same procedure, we're just repeating it. And almost finished. Just 2 more notes. This again, the A flat. We're not playing the A flat here. Put it in the left hand. No, we need to play this. So this is the other one. C sharp. Moving the F from here to over here. Now we want to end up on the F sharp. Right? We're not playing this F sharp. Put it over here in the left hand. Pretty simple. You just have to take some time and practice it. Allow your fingers to get accustomed to playing this drop 2 pattern. There's so many different type of patterns you can play. You can play. You just have to experiment. I showed you the foundation, how you form it. Like for example, you're in C sharp. You remove the second note, which is the F, and put it in your left hand. If you're going to E flat, you remove the second note, which is the G, and put it in your left hand. And you're forming the drop 2. If you play the inversion, the same thing. You remove the second note, which is the E flat, and put it in your left hand. And you just practice it and create your own patterns. That's it. So guys, if you like this, remember to comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.